When you're traveling in the camper van, two things are always trying to sneak up on you: rain and sun. In this video, I'll show you how I tackled both of these challenges with a couple of simple and budget-friendly solutions. And believe it or not, both came from IKEA. They're quick to set up, easy to use, and perfect for anyone trying to keep their travel cozy without breaking the bank. Rain protection. Rain and camper vans don't always get along. I ran into a very real challenge with my minivan build. Whenever I opened the sliding door during a rainy day, water would sneak right in. It didn't just hit the floor, it got onto my bed and the cooking module cabinet too. It is super annoying, especially when the bed is set up and doesn't have a waterproof cover on it. Nothing like climbing into a soggy bed to ruin your camping vibe. At first, I considered installing a retractable awning. Seems like a great idea, right? Well, not quite. It's not exactly stealth camper friendly. They stand out, take time to set up, and can be pricey. Plus, when wind joins the party, awnings turn into flappy kites. And if you pack them up while they're still wet, say hello to mold. That's when I had a light bulb moment. Why not use a giant umbrella to cover the entrance? It's simple, portable, quick to set up, and you can actually use it when you leave the car too. I remembered seeing those massive IKEA umbrellas during rainy West Coast days. They're huge, surprisingly tough, and super budget-friendly, around $7 or even cheaper when on sale. So the next step was figuring out how to mount it hands-free. While browsing Amazon, I stumbled across the perfect hack: a golf cart umbrella holder. It's basically a clamp with a tube. Slide the umbrella handle in, tighten it down with a bolt, and you're good to go. It even folds down when not in use, so it's not in the way. Of course, new solutions bring new problems, like what to do with a wet umbrella when you get back in the van. At first, I tried storing it under the solar panel, but let's just say the wind had other plans. Plus, if water collects inside, it'll drip on your head the next time you open it. So I started searching for a better storage option. Umbrella buckets for the home? Too bulky for a tiny camper. Then I found a car umbrella storage bag, a total game changer. It catches all the water, keeps it off the camper floor, and can be attached with a magnet so I can move it or take it out easily. No puddles, no mess. Now I'm actually excited when it rains. Well, almost. If the forecast looks rough, I preset the umbrella holder and keep the umbrella ready. When I'm ready to head out, I open the door, pop open the umbrella while staying dry inside, and slide it into the holder. And I have perfect hands-free rain protection while I slip on my shoes. And coming back is just as smooth. I slide the umbrella into the holder, get in, take off my jacket and shoes, and then drop the wet umbrella into the storage bag. No wet floor, no fuss, and everything stays nice and dry inside. Sun protection. You know, sunny weather is great until it starts feeling like you're living inside a toaster. I decided early on to skip the whole retractable awning thing, as it is too bulky, too fussy, too expensive. I wanted something simple, quick to set up, easy to pack away, and if possible, something I could use both at my van and at a campsite. And once again, IKEA saved the day. I found this rectangular sun umbrella that checked every single box. Rectangular shape? Perfect. Hugs the van like it was custom made. Easy to unfold? Absolutely, even before coffee. Size? Just right. Not too big, not too small. Storage? Slides neatly behind my front seats like it was meant to live there. But, and there's always a but, how do you actually attach an umbrella to a moving piece of metal? Usually these umbrellas are meant for patios with those huge, heavy bases that scream, "I belong in a backyard, not a tiny camper van." Definitely not an option when every inch of space counts. And here's where my trusty solar panels and the crossbar underneath swooped in like superheroes. There's a gap under the solar panel, just big enough for a clever little hack. I used a Vever truck bed adjustable bar, removed the original pads, and added a heavy-duty aluminum clamp. Fancy words for I Frankensteined a solution together. Then I mounted the bar using aluminum mounting brackets. I had to drill a few extra holes in the brackets to fit my crossbar slot. To keep it solid, I secured everything with stainless steel slot bolts, because shaky umbrellas are only funny in cartoons, and you do not want the crossbar fly away while you drive on the highway. And now, when I need instant shade over my van entrance, it takes me literally 3 quick and easy steps. 1. Extend the telescopic bar. 2. Grab the IKEA umbrella. 3. Unfold and clamp it in place. And it is done! Instant shady paradise. And the best part, this umbrella isn't just a one-trick pony. I picked up a special outdoor umbrella clamp with a wide opening that fits chunky campground tables. Now I can have shade over my lunch like a king. I just clip it where I want, slide the umbrella in, and boom! I have a gourmet lunch minus the sunburn. So whether it's by my van or by my feast, this little IKEA hack turned out to be a real game changer. During my last summer trip to the Sunshine Coast Ocean Beach, I had a simple thought: why not use this umbrella at the beach too? I found a heavy-duty sun umbrella screw anchor on Amazon that works in both sand and soil. It comes with adapters for different pole diameters, and one of them turned out to be a perfect match for my IKEA umbrella. So now I've got big plans for this IKEA gem next season. 1 item, 3 use cases. Sunshade on the side of the van, sun, rain, pine needle protection at the picnic table, a proper sunshade right on the beach. I'll keep you posted with real-world test results. And the last one is the Teardrop awning. A blast from the past and one of my very first camping finds, all the way back in my pre-van build era. It's big, like seriously big. You can set it up beside the van, stretch it over a picnic table, or even use it to shade the entire van on a hot day and give your interior a break from becoming a sauna. This awning really shines in camping vacation mode, when you stay at one campsite for a while and don't feel like setting up and tearing down gear every single day. Set it once, relax, enjoy. These days I don't use it as often, mostly because my IKEA umbrellas stole the spotlight, and also because covering solar panels is basically the fastest way to make them completely useless. Still, if I've got extra room in the trunk, I bring it along, just in case. And last summer, it got an unexpected job: hail protection. When a hailstorm was in the forecast, I quickly set it up over the van and even threw some extra blankets over the areas the awning couldn't cover. Full DIY storm defense mode activated. In the end, the forecast was wrong and the storm passed nearby. But now I know, if hail ever does show up, I'm ready to defend my precious van and solar panels like a true camper van knight. Next, episode number 15, curtains. In this episode, I'll show how I turned my camper van into a cozy little home using curtains. I still have my blackout WeatherTech inserts for full-on privacy mode, but these days I mostly use lightweight sliding curtains, especially at campgrounds where there's no need to activate undercover spy mode. I'll share the lightweight, easy-to-install curtain setup I found and explain why it works perfectly in a van with rolling windows and sliding doors. Simple, practical, and way more comfortable for everyday camping.